Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about displaying the horizontal lines in HTML. So guys, basically the horizontal lines are used to visually break up the sections of the document. So we can use the HR tag. As you can see, we have the open angled brackets and then we have the HR keyword and then we have the closing angled brackets over here. So this is the HR tag that creates a line from the current position in the document to the right margin and breaks the line accordingly. So guys, let us check this with the help of example in the VS Code over here. So this is the previous HTML code that we have written. So I am simply going to change the title of the page, which we can do so using the title tag over here, which is inside the head tag. So we will say horizontal line example. So over here we have horizontal line example over here, and then guys, this is a heading number 1. We will keep this header as it is. We have the paragraph as well inside the body, that is this is a paragraph. Now guys, what we will do is, this is another paragraph is being displayed on the center of the page. As you can see, we have provided the style attribute. Inside this we have the text align property, which helps us in order to make this content display at the center of the page. Now guys, what we will do is, between these two paragraphs we want to display a horizontal line over here. So simply in between both these paragraphs we will place this HR tag. As you can see, this is the tag. So over here we will use the open angled brackets and then we use the HR tag. So as you can see, the HR element represents a paragraph level thematic break, a scene change in a story or transition to another topic within a section of a reference book. So in short, this is going to draw a horizontal line on the web page, and then we are going to close this tag over here using the closing angled bracket. Now guys, this is another example of the empty tag. There is no content that should come in between the start tag and the end tag over here of the HR, and that is why we need not have the end tag over here. So this is another example of the empty tag apart from the line break tag, which we have already seen previously. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. You can notice the change in the title and you will be seeing a horizontal line over here in between both these paragraphs. Now let me reload this page once again. So as you can see, the horizontal line example title is being displayed over here, and then we can see a thin line which is horizontal in between both the paragraphs, that is this is a paragraph and this is another paragraph. So guys, in short, if you want to draw a horizontal line in between any of the sections in your web page, you can use the HR tag. Let us draw a horizontal line in between the heading number 1 and the first paragraph over here. So we will move to the VS Code. So after this header tag, that is H1, we will simply have the HR tag in this case as well. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. You can see there is another horizontal line that is in between the header number 1 and the first paragraph over here. So guys, please make sure that you practice on your own so that on different inputs you get different outputs. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is how to preserve formatting in HTML. So stay tuned.